shall I say unto man? We have to say thank you, Lord. Hello, welcome to AfricanPianoLessons.com. So today's lesson we'll be learning one of the popular African, Nigerian, praise and worship song. What shall we say unto the Lord? And like most of you know, the lesson will come in parts, looking at different side of things. But the first aspect is always important to know the chord structures, the chord movements to song. So when we go, so I won't spend time on the chord structure, but the progression to this one is very simple. Just go chord 1, 4, 5, 1. What shall I say unto my God to 4? All I have to 5 is thank you, Lord. What shall I want to 4? All I have to say, thank you, Lord. So you go chord 1, C, G. You can do that on C, E, G for your chord 1. Now, the beauty of African music lies in understanding your inversions very well. You can play chord 1 this way, you can play this way, you can play it this way. It doesn't matter, and that is where, from the inversions that we try to create the reading, I was trying to keep it really simple at the beginning. Say, what shall I say unto my God? Chord 4. So you can sort of like make it light, or you can play the full chords on left hand, C, F, C, F, A. All I have to say, D, G, D, G, B. Thank you, Lord. What shall I say unto my God? Oh, all I have to say is thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. All we have to say is thank you, Lord. So if we apply the beats, let's listen to it. What shall I say unto my God? All I have to 5 to 1 to 1 to 4 to 5 to 1. Thank you 1, thank you 4. All I have to 5. Thank you, Lord. So if you, like this beat is one of the beats that I have on the channel. So if I reduce the tempo, you can search for them in Pilgrim's Bay. It's pretty much everywhere. So what shall I say unto my God? For all I have to 5. Thank you, Lord. What shall I say unto my God? All I have to 5. Back to 1. Thank you 1 to 4 to 5 to 1. Now you can see, that sounds, interesting. You can also double your bass. What shall I say unto my God? All we have to say 5. Just play G, G, F, F, C, F, A. So that's chord 1, C, C. Chord 4, F, F. Chord 5. Back to 1. So let's try and listen to this rhythm. I'll reduce tempo again. What shall I say? 1 onto my 4. All I have to 5. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. All I have to 5. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. All I have to say is thank you, Lord. Now, once you practice that, just take it really slow. What shall I say? 1 to 4 to 5 to 1. I'll start all over again. To 1 to 4 to 5 to 1. Now, the beauty is, if you want to start creating rhythms, practice the chord progression is really much important. So let's just build one rhythm around this chord progression. So if you go, what shall I say? Onto my, out to, thank you, Lord. What shall I? Onto my, all I have to say, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. All I have to say, thank you, Lord. And you realize a lot of keyboardists will create different rhythm. And one thing I try to do is, kind of from what the drummer is playing, you can just feel the rhythm. So this one's going bam 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 bam. So then you break the chords like double notes. So yeah, stuff like that a lot in African music. What shall I say unto my God? All I have to say, thank you, Lord. For chord 1, chord 4, chord 5. So let's break it down really slow. E and G together. Can you see that? Chord 4. Chord 5. So B and G. Chord 4. F and A. So the best way, if you take chord 1, let's play double notes slowly. So D. See that? So let's apply the beat. What shall I say unto my God? All I have to say, thank you, Lord. That I say unto my God. All I have to say, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. All I have to say, thank you, Lord. So the next part of the rhythm is where, bam, bam, because there's space, then you complete with the chord bam. So bam. let's apply it. Right hand only. What shall I say unto my God? All I have to say, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. All I have to say, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for I'm together. What shall I say unto my Lord? All I have to say, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. All I have to say, thank you, Lord. You know, so there's quite a lot of things we can do, but practice this is very important for us to understand the basics of every song in terms of like the chord progression. Once we learn it, the next part we'll start looking at what we can do more complex really in the bass line, improvisation sections and stuff like that. Thank you. See you at the next lesson. Bye.